Hi, this is Sally, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make spiced braised chicken in carrot juice. And I'm actually going to break out my tagine. You don't have to use a tagine, but it is advisable to use a oven-proof dish with a lid. And if you don't have a lid, just put some aluminium foil over it and tuck it in so it keeps all the steam in when you're cooking your chicken. So let's get on with it. I am putting a couple of tablespoons or a splash of olive oil into my pan. And while I'm doing this, my oven is going to be into 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees centigrade, or gas mark 6. Yeah, gas mark 6 if I remember rightly. I'm going to pop this on, and I have here one red onion which was finely diced, and I'll pop that in to start cooking. While that's doing that, I'm going to pop in here the chicken. Now I've got chicken thighs without skins on. If I was going to use chicken thighs with skin on, I would pre-cook it so the tops would start turning a nice golden brown. But in this case it really doesn't matter. I'll pop that all in here. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, ground ginger, cinnamon and ground cumin. To that I'm adding 6 fluid ounces of chicken broth, which is about 180 millilitres. I'm also adding 325 millilitres or 10 fluid ounces of carrot juice. Now ideally it should be fresh, but I didn't want to break out my juicer, so I used this one, which has carrot juice, ginger, turmeric, which is why it's got that really orangey look, and natural flavourings. Also it has lemon juice, and lemon juice would be required in it anyway. I just felt that having the carrot juice with it already in there would be fine. So it's up to you if you want to juice your own carrots or buy carrot juice. That just so happened to be on sale and would work perfectly well. And now that's all heated up, I'm just going to pour this over the chicken, make sure everything goes in. Pop the lid on. I am going to pop this in to the 400 degree oven, but I'm going to reduce it down to 350. Also, I'm putting it on the bottom rack because obviously the height. Add some Medjool dates to it and pop it back into the oven for a further 30 minutes to cook. Thank you for joining me on this project. I hope I was able to impart some useful information to you. I actually served it on a bed of rice. You could use quinoa or a baked potato actually, and also some salad. My son was already tucked into his, so it'll be interesting to see what his verdict is. Usually I put dried apricots in, but I put Medjool dates in to make a change. If you want to hear more from me, please subscribe, hit the bell button, and a few thumbs up would be absolutely brilliant. And in the meantime, take care, see you later. Ciao.